Esto es para ti, mamita.
Hoy te he visto con tus libros caminando y tu carita de coqueta, colegiala de mi amor. Tú sonríes sin pensar que al mirarte.
Hey Blake, I need to ask you as well. Because like now I'm like more into the gym. I've been there for like 3 years. Before I was like do the same exercise every session.
Yeah.
You know, do the same sessions week after week. But now I kind of like come in and like kind of like not mess about, but just do like different exercises and change it up.
Well, yeah.
Do you think that's like a valid training style? Do you think I'm like leaving growth on the table because I'm not like keeping it consistent?
Well, I know, because consistency is about something you enjoy as well. If you're not going to stick to something, there's no point in doing it, is there? So you want to come in the gym and do something that's enjoyable.
Yeah.
But obviously, it's about changing it up every week. You're trying to get stronger. You're trying to progress in the movement on your stuff.
Well, like some people say, like if you want to get super strong at something, you got to like do it over and over again. If you like keep cutting out, then you're like, do you reckon your progress dips or not?
Well, you dip, but if you want to maximise your progress, you just stay consistent at something. Like, I'd say always focus on one training style. Keep switching between different lanes, then you're not going to be able to maximise your progression in everything. But do you enjoy it? Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I just like it just brings a different
Like what? Like what? Like give me an example. Like.
So like if I do my normal push might be like bench, incline press.
Yeah.
But I might do like a weird one where I do like alternating standing up.
Yeah.
Or like on back day I might just randomly do the like sled pulls like half an hour.
Yeah, you've got to use different muscles as well.
Yeah, that's good. I like it though. Like
that's why I say like that's why I've been doing more like hybrid style. Like, if you just
you've been doing high rocks,
yeah, if you keep going in the gym doing the same press, like your body's just going to get fixed in that. Your joints aren't going to
actually true.
Smoothly. Changing up your training style is good.
Alright, what are you hitting now?
Solo por ti estoy sufriendo, colegiala de mi amor.
Baila con la típica. ¡Wey!
Exercises, you got to choose it. Yeah, whatever you want to do, we'll do what you want to do.
We'll do my new single arm tricep pushdown variation.
That's not.
New one. The BD fitness one.
Yeah.
I got the most goated tricep exercise. How you get wide shoulders, just found that for a reason.
Yeah. Just try and get lean again. I saw this thing the other day about the potato trick.
Potato trick?
Yeah, you only eat potatoes for breakfast and lunch and have a normal meal for dinner. And people
with protein? Or just potatoes?
No, just potatoes for lunch, breakfast and lunch, and then have a normal meal for dinner, and you lose like a pound a day.
No way you're getting enough protein.
I'm trying that, I'm doing that.
No way you're getting enough protein.
Yeah, in the last meal you can have like 4 steaks.
Well, you have like 150 grams protein in one meal.
Surely it's probably because like potatoes are so fucking thick, they just fill up
It's
so quick.
high volume calories.
Yeah, like
I'm doing it though. I'm doing it. I'll let you know if it works.
Like you see a whole jack of potatoes in like 250 calories,
Yeah, every
and that shit
time I
would
get a
kill you.
client that's trying to lose weight, it's potatoes.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. I want to get so lean, but I want to be fucking jacked in.
As lean as that, yeah?
I'm not that lean anymore. Not as much
I want to get 12%, whatever that looks like. Yeah, he is lean.
I used to be way worse.
What?
Like, if you're coming out like this, then you're getting the red.
It's like more holistic, isn't it? Like the whole shoulder.
I see your side delts activated so much more then as well. I see the striation.
Tell him the pinky thing again, that definitely helps.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it, yeah, look at that.
want mine next, like get more activated than my actual.
Illustration.
It's coming though. It's like it's definitely better than before.
But you know, if you need meal plans or anything like that, then
I'll do the potato plan.
don't do the potato plan. Maybe potato and protein sauce every meal.
Yeah.
Potato and minced beef every meal.
Yeah.
Potato and chicken. They're definitely dead.
You can do it. You can make so much different stuff. You can have jacket potato, fried potatoes, boiled potatoes.
Like a full pack of mince is what? It's like 700
And
calories.
apparently you can have as much potatoes if you want, and it doesn't make a difference.
Yeah, the whole point is just keeping you full, isn't it?
I'm gonna have potatoes, and then like a kg of minced.
Never because it's so like natural as well, like one ingredient that is just so like
Easy to digest.
yeah, like it's just so
goes
like,
through.
so satiating.
Or you could do the curry method. Curry method is where you eat spicy food and it just keeps coming out real quick.
I've never heard these ones, Kai. Where are you getting these from?
Calories only.
That's what Fred did, isn't it? It's pretty much just like, now he's eating so much satiating more food, he eats nothing.
Oh, how many more you got? Any more?
Hombre está mal.
Only be thou strong and very courageous, that thou mayest observe to do according to all. Yeah, so I just finished off my wrestling session, hard training. I was going to take a few seconds to gather my thoughts, but I got something that's been weighing on my mind recently, and there's like a new wave of people trying to always get the easy wins, or not wanting to do anything that's hard, or getting annoyed when things are hard. But I think the hard things always bring the best results. The harder it is, the bigger the result. So it's harder to make £1 million than it is to make £10, but you have a better result with £1 million. The same with, you know, it's harder to become world champion. It takes years and years of dedication to your sport, but the end result is you're the best in the world. Everything that's hard has a good result, and also you can go down the wrong route, but if you stay down the right route, all of the hard things that you want to do, all your dreams will be hard. Having a good relationship with your wife, you know, that's not an outrageous goal, but it's hard. And the more effort you put into something, the harder it is, the better the result you're going to get. So the easier it is, you could probably say that the worse result you're going to get. So why would you want something then to be easy? Sorry, there's a bit of noise going on. Why would you want something to be easy? Because you know you're going to get a worse result. So when hard times come about, or when you're trying to do something that's hard, you should be glad that it's hard, because you know you're going to get a better result. So you should be always happy to do things that are hard, always happy to put a lot of work in, because you know you're going to get it. And when something it's hard to put into words, but when something comes along that's hard, you should be glad that it's coming along, and glad that you can put all your energy into something, because in a couple of years or a couple of months you're going to get a good result from that. And if you want to make your life good, that's going to be a hard thing to do. So you should be glad that the hard things are coming, that you can put yourself towards those hard things and get the good result. And as a man, your job is literally to do hard things for the betterment of other people. As a man, what is a man other than to sacrifice himself for the betterment of his people? So if you're the provider in the household, you should be bringing on, if you're the provider and you're upset by hard work, you have failed your job already. It's your job to do these things. As men, we are built for hard work. We are built to do hard things that push us to the limits, to provide, to go out, to hunt, to gather food, to build empires, to build homes, to build kingdoms. All of those things are hard. That is our job. So the minute you don't enjoy hard work, or at least the minute that you don't do the hard work that is necessary, that is the day that you stop fighting for your family. Because it is your job to fight, to have broad shoulders, to take on all the burdens, to take on all the pressure. That is your job as a man. The day you stop enjoying hard work, or at least doing the hard work that is necessary, is the day that you stop fighting for your family. So don't ever be that person that doesn't want to do the hard work, that is upset when hard work comes around, or that avoids it in all of its entity. Do the hard work, be glad for it, because you're going to get a good result. You're fighting for your family, and it is our job as men to fight for our families, have broad shoulders, take on all the pressure. So that is a day in the life on the road towards wealth and family. This morning we did our training. Then we did all of our studying, editing, reading our Bible, journaling. Then we came and did wrestling. And it's a long day. I'm going to go home, go to bed. Tomorrow we're going to do it all over again. And I'm chilling in the hard work zone. That's where I'm meant to be.